Here we have been asked to solve an absolute value inequality. First, notice that the absolute value is not by itself on the left-hand side. So I would need to subtract 2 from both sides. That would result in absolute value of 5x minus 3 being greater than a negative 1. So now the absolute value is by itself. Notice that it's a greater than type problem. Now on the right-hand side, I have a negative number. By definition, absolute value must equal a positive value. This particular problem says absolute value of whatever is greater than a negative number. That will always be true. And so anytime you have absolute value greater than a negative number, the solution is actually all real numbers. So you would say all real numbers, or in interval notation, you would say negative infinity to infinity. Now, I want to summarize quickly because we have 3 different, I'm going to say, odd situations. We have absolute value of some number equals a negative. That will always yield no solution. We have absolute value of some number being less than a negative. That will always yield no solution. And then we have absolute value of some number being greater than a negative number. That will always yield all real numbers.